Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to share with you YouTubers that helped me on my natural hair journey. YouTubers that I watched years ago that really helped me understand my hair journey. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, like and follow, and also head over to my Instagram page and follow me as well. When I started my hair journey in 2012, I didn't know any South African natural hair tubers who went on camera and did videos. So I naturally went over and Googled or searched on YouTube, and I was following US-based YouTubers. And there's three of them that really helped me, or three channels that really helped me on my journey. The first channel is someone I think we all know, and it's Natural85. The second channel that really helped me was the Glam Twins, and the last one was Shantae's Way. Now, all three of them have one thing in common, and there's a reason why I follow them. None of them have the same hair as me. Shantae's Way, I think she has like type 3 hair, but Natural85 and the Glam Twins, they have more of a 3C type 4 hair pattern. But why I watched those channels was I looked at girls who had really long hair. And I was always told growing up that if you had a coarser hair pattern, including my type of hair, your hair won't grow. But when I saw these girls with, Wasteland hair, I was like, oh my gosh. How, what, where, how is this possible? And so even though, like Natural85 would use things like, shea butter on our hair, and I knew that wasn't for me, but I liked it because one, she was consistent in her videos, two, she did a lot of DIYs, three, her hair was so long. So just watching how she handled her hair, she detangled it, she styled it, fascinated me. So she really helped me on my journey and helped me know that I can do DIYs, which is something I don't do, and that you can grow your hair. Now I'll talk about the Glam Twins. The Glam Twins, well, to see twins is always like really nice. They're beautiful, but this long hair, again, long hair. And I would watch them, and back then, Shea Moisture was on their channel all the time. They used OGX, they used Camille Rose, and they really got me to see more products. And that's when I started going out and buying and trying these products because I saw how it worked in their hair. Over my journey, I was not disillusioned. I knew we had different hair and I knew it would work differently on my hair, but shrinkage and hair growth was such an important part of my journey. Some of you might say, but they don't have hair like you, why would you watch it? Again, it has to do with length and shrinkage. So the Glam Twins introduced me a lot to, different types of hair products. They did full wash day routines. They would also, blow dry your hair, and I would watch them do it safely. They did get heat damage now and again, and they'd be honest about it. What I also liked about them is the two of them would have different hair routines and would use different products. So I got to see how twins or people in the same family who look like they have the same hair would use different products because they like different things. And then lastly, Shantae's Way, she also had length. I learned how to pre-poo from her. I learned how to style. I just enjoyed her, and I enjoyed everything she shared on her natural hair journey. Looking now in 2020, all three channels are kind of doing different things. Natural85, congratulations, she has her own hair care brand called Melanin. I'm so happy for her. The Glam Twins are doing more beauty, more makeup, and more vlogs. And Shantae's Way, she's kind of, moved more into the vegan lifestyle and eating healthy. So if you go over to their channels and you see something a bit different, over the past 7 years or the last 7 years, they've evolved in their channels, but they really helped me on my journey. And that's it, guys. Let me know who has helped you on your journey. Let me know if I've helped you on your journey. Drop your comments down below. We'll discuss in the comments, and I'll see you again. Take care.